English for beginners. Weather. Vocabulary. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, foggy, hot, cold. Questions and answers. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow? It's going to be sunny. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow? It's going to be rainy. Practice. What's the weather going to be like this afternoon?
It's going to be hot and sunny.
What's the weather going to be like this evening?
It's going to be cloudy.
What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
It's going to be sunny.
What's the weather going to be like on Thursday?
It's going to be windy.
What's the weather going to be like on Friday?
It's going to be rainy.
What's the weather going to be like on the weekend?
It's going to be snowy.
Homework. Pause the video, look at the picture and answer the questions in the comments section. What's the weather going to be like in Belfast? What's the weather going to be like in Dublin? What's the weather going to be like in Edinburgh? What's the weather going to be like in London? What's the weather going to be like in Cardiff? Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.